Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up an Instagram shop through Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, first, before you start, you're going to need a couple of things. First, you're going to need an Instagram business account, and you're going to need to set up a store, which then Instagram needs to verify and allow you to use for a sales purpose. Now, once you've done that and once you have all the prerequisites, you can then go ahead and once you're on your Squarespace site, go into products and services and go into selling tools. From here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to search for Instagram and Facebook, such as this. Click on that, and then you're going to need to connect with Facebook. As you can see, it is not currently connected, so we're just going to go ahead and connect it, and once that's done, you're going to go and proceed to your store. Now, as you can see, you need to set the visibility to public to sync your catalog with Facebook. Since I don't have a paid for subscription, I cannot do that, but that is pretty much the entire process that you need to do. For example, well, let me just go over into this page right over here. As you can see, you need to connect with Facebook, and it'll prompt you to log in and confirm that the account is one you'd like to use for the syncing process. You need to select the features you want to use for your products, such as Facebook ads, Facebook shops, and Instagram shopping. You want to select Instagram shopping as a mandatory step, and then you just need to continue following the prompts that Facebook or Meta give you to connect or create the account and the process to complete. Now, I am sorry that I can't show you guys how this is done in person, since I do not have a paid for site, so I can't make it visible, and I don't have a set up Instagram shop, but this is pretty much the best and easiest way to connect those two and set up an Instagram shop through Squarespace, since this is an official integration and it has been made to make your life much easier, as with anything on Squarespace. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.